Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And now we can focus on this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and they will appear right here. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added ones. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and all you have to do right now is simply try to find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick the graphical one. Let me pick Arabic. Let's tap on it and tap on the region if you can choose something. Here we've got the keyboard types. I will leave this one, just tap on done, and as you can see, our newly chosen language immediately appears on this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check how it looks like. And actually, I'm not sure if you've paid attention, but trust me, we've got two different options. It looks different. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one easily. After tapping on the globe icon again, we've got the English. So actually this is it. This is how to add new language layout to the keyboard in your ASUS. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because for some reason you do not need two different keyboard languages. So let's enter the settings, let's enter the languages, and all you have to do is simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you would like to remove. I will remove Arabic, obviously, and tap on this trash bin icon again. We are left with English, so it looks like it was at the very first step of this tutorial, and after getting back you can see that first of all we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty. So actually this is it. This is how to change a keyboard language in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.